Thanks for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. Down underneath, we have a pin that holds the front of the deck up, and then 2 pins that hold the rear of the deck. So we're going to lower the deck as low as it can go. That way it doesn't drop. We'll pop out these pins. There's 1, 2, there's 2 on each side. There's also a washer with each of them. We have a pin and a washer there. And then there's brackets up here that'll slide off. We'll pull these on the other side. And put these brackets. Now the deck is free. We got one more up front. And this one's a different style pin. Pull that. And the washer. It's gonna drop probably. It's too hot to touch the ground. Out. All right, let's see if that worked. Shouldn't be this hard. I should have done this one first. There. That's all loose. That's behind the muffler. I don't know how freaking replace that or repair it. It's broken. Shouldn't be loose. That'll be our 5 minutes for today. Thank you for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. Remember, it's 5 minutes a day. Get your projects done.